Hello and welcome back to my channel, the Crafty Bee. So today we'll be learning how to make this stylish spiral bony effect, which you can attach to your top, your dresses, your sleeves. You can also use it around your shoulder, your waist, and the hem of your dress. It gives you this elegant look when you use it to design your outfit, and it's very nice. So if this is what you like to learn, please stay tuned to the end of the video. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please consider doing so by hitting on the subscribe button, and also turn on your notification bell to be the first to be notified whenever I upload a new video. So to make this spiral Flounce, you need your fabric, your boning, your scissors, and your chalk. So I'm using this boning. It's called Regilin boning, and you can sew on it. You sew on it on this part, this white line here, these two white lines. And if you don't have this Regilin boning, you can use this plastic boning. You see how it is? You can use this plastic boning, but make sure that you create a channel for the plastic boning to pass through. So let's put our boning aside and work on the fabric. So as you can see, I'm using this fabric. I don't know, it looks like poly fabric, but please, can you leave on the comment section the name of this fabric? And this fabric doesn't frill at all. So to make this spiral Flounce, you can cut it in a spiral form, or you can cut it in a flare form. But with this, I'm going to cut it using the flare form, which is like you fold it as you are cutting 360-degree flare. So you need the length of your flare and the radius of your flare. But your radius should be very short. The more short your radius is, the more spiral effect you will get. So you can use 1 inch for the radius, 1.5, 2 inches. But I'm using 2 inches because if you cut it with 1 inch radius or 1.5, it's very difficult to handle. So I'm using 2 inches for the radius. And you should know where you want to attach your Flounce. But I'm using this for illustration purpose. So if you want to use it for your dress, you have to measure the circumference of where you want your spiral Flounce to be. So let's get started. So I'm going to fold it. This is the wrong side, this is the good side. You can use this for the good side because you can use both sides. So what I'm going to do now, you need your radius plus the length of your Flounce to know how much fabric you are going to cut. So the radius I'm using is 2 inches. Then the length of the Flounce together with the folding is 8 inches. 8 inches plus 2 inches for the radius is 10 inches. So you make sure that you fold it on 10 inches. When unfold will be 20 inches. Then you fold it again on 10 inches. You fold it as if you are folding to cut 360-degree flare. So I'm starting by cutting out the radius. So the radius I'm using is 2 inches. So at the folded edge of the fabric, I'm going to place my tape like so, and then mark 2 inches all round like this. So this is my 2 inches radius. So the next thing to do is to measure the length of the Flounce, which is going to be 8 inches. So I mark 8 inches here. So I'm going to place my tape on the folded edge here and measure up to where the length is. So the 8 inches for the length of the Flounce plus 2 inches for the radius is 10 inches. So I have the 10 inches here. So I'm going to rotate the 10 inches round to get a circle. So let me pin it because the material is moving a lot. So this is my circle. This is the radius and this is the length of the circle. So I'm going to cut it out. Next, I'll cut the radius and remove my pins and open it for you guys to see. And I'm going to split one side open. So guys, this is it. You see, it has given it a nice fold. You see how the fold looks? But if you cut it with a smaller radius, it will give you a fold that you cannot handle. So with this now, I'm going to be cutting. Let me measure what I have here. I have 15. So I'm going to be cutting 2 more of this. 2 more, making 3 pieces of this, so that I can get a fuller fold, so that it will come out nicely. So guys, I've cut out all the 3 pieces. 1, 2, 3. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to join all the 3 pieces together and come back and show you the next thing to do. So as you can see, I'm done joining all the 3 pieces together, all the 3 threads together. I cut a long piece, as you can see. So what I'll be doing next is to sew the boning on the edges. So this is my regional boning. So we are going to be sewing it on the wrong side of the fabric. So this is the wrong side. I use this for the wrong side and this is the right side. So what I'll be doing is, you see, you can use any size of the boning of your choice. So I'm using this size. I'm going to sew it on it like this. After sewing it around all the edges of the flare, then I will fold it on it like this and then sew it all around. Then come and show you how it looks. So guys, after stitching the boning, this is how it looks. You see how beautiful? You see the boning has given it this structure to curl. So hope you like it. Try it on your outfits and it's very nice. So the next thing I'm going to do is to take it to my mannequin and show you the different ways of styling it on your dress. So you can cross it on your bust like this, on your chest like so. You can also fix it around your shoulder like so. So guys, you can also fold it like a bow design on your chest. So you can also fit it here like this. You can also fit it in front of your dress like this. You can put it on the side like this. Then you attach it with needle and thread on your dress. So you can also fit it as a sleeve on your dress. You can fit it around as a sleeve. So this is another way of fixing it. So guys, you can also cross it on your front like this. Let's be creative. Let's be creative with it. So if you find this tutorial helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also share my video, comment on the comment section, and if you have anything for me to do, any suggestion, please just leave it on the comment section. I'm ever ready to answer you. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.